In this tutorial, I will tell you how you can add the webcam in OBS Studio. So we start this section. Now, in last video you have seen this is the computer screen in OBS Studio. Now here I can add the camera. So for this we can click here plus sign, and for camera we can use here the option the video capture device. We can select this option. The option is selected. Same formula. I can write it here, the device name. Now here is my computer screen device. Now this is the camera. Now here configure video options. They are all controls of brightness, contrast, saturation, sharpness, and many other options which you like accordingly. Like if I choose this one, you have seen the result. So same in contrast. Same like this. You can choose here whichever you like. So I click apply and then OK. And now here is the resolution frames per second type. So we have used default by the device. So we can click this OK. Now here the video cam and the computer screen is you can short this one, or you can adjust it like this and like this, or you can use this one. And now you have seen the computer screen and the webcam. if you do recording in this, then your computer screen will be also shown and the webcam is also shown, and you can do your work according to your video. Thanks for watching this. Other things will be explained in the next video.